Biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is a collective term meaning the totality and variety of life on Earth. Biodiversity includes genetic diversity within species, the variety among species, and the range of ecosystems within which life exists and interacts. The loss of biodiversity is a big problem. When species become extinct, they threaten the livelihoods of those depending on the health of the ecosystems, such as farmers and fishermen. Not to mention, losing biodiversity means losing beautiful plants and animals, and losing sight of nature. Causes for the loss in biodiversity include the introduction of invasive species, habitat loss, overfishing and overhunting, and climate change. Broken down, we can see that 33% of biodiversity loss comes from habitat destruction, 24% comes from invasive species, 22% comes from climate change, and 21% comes from overfishing and overhunting. Who is responsible for this loss? Humans. Humans destroy habitats and pollute the air, which tie directly to the loss of species all over the world. In fact, a recent study showed that the increase in human population has a direct relationship with the number of extinctions. What can we do to reduce biodiversity loss? We can protect areas of land, minimize invasive species, educate the public, and take better care of our environment. Currently, there are quite a few laws and regulations that help prevent the loss of biodiversity. The Conservation of Habitats and Species Regulations Act of 2010 makes sure that any action will not be detrimental to the maintenance of the species concerned at a favorable conservation status in their natural range. And the Forest Preservation Strategy Update of 2004 outlines goals for improving and increasing forested areas, tree canopy, and street trees. Together, we can work to restore the beautiful and unique species on Earth.
Created using Powtoon.